allow me, brother. If a person gives fatwa, if a person calls himself mufti, and he allows himself to give fatwa when he cannot even construct an Arabic sentence, that is pretty much a clown level. I know you want to, you want to be loving and caring and accommodating, but I call a spade a spade. I could be wrong. This is just my subjective opinion. But if a person puts himself forward as a representative of Salafiyya, meanwhile there's no real Salafiyya, and issues fatwa from their own accord that are not in line with the fatwa of the ulama, then I don't know what, if that's not clowning, then I don't know what clowning is. Right? Just, ma'alish, I don't want to go deeper, but believe me, if I were to give you a list of things and violations from outward appearance to other than that, then it would be a whole refutation. I'm not in the mood for that right now. But allow me to say whatever I want to say. You don't want to say it, Jazakallah khair, no problem. I'm not telling you call him such. But not every time I have an opinion, I have to have a million people, barakallah fikum, give me a lecture. I'm not forcing you to say what I say. At the same time, you cannot also force me to use your style, your method, your approach. That's me. Right? We're having beef right now with I don't know, someone doesn't like my the answer that I gave about the brother who said that there's a sister who's desperately trying to marry him. And why are you making fun of him? And what's the problem with the word desperately? And you don't think women fall in love and women can also fall in love? They made a big fuss out of it, man. Everybody who knows me knows that when these questions come, we try to make light of them and have put a smile on everybody's face. This is not a television show where I'm the mufti of the kingdom and mashallah tabarakallah all these people are coming to me. This is my own private channel with people that we've known each other for years. They know what's going on. You don't like my approach, by all means, man, by all means, get off the channel, bro. You don't like me, my approach, my sense of humor, or my lack of sense of humor, or my audacity, or my aggressiveness, or my whatever. No problem, wallah, no hard feelings. I still love you for the sake of Allah. But leave me alone. Leave me alone, let me be. I'm not gonna change to make your subjective opinion dominant. You understand? If what I'm doing is haram, then in spite of me, with my foot over my head, I will submit to the Islam. If I'm wrong, if I'm haram, if I'm doing something haram, then tell me, this haram, I will correct myself. But your preference versus my preference, imagine I'm the speaker, it's my channel, you want me to follow your preference in a matter that there's preference. You must be so full of yourself to even suggest or to even comment or to even criticize or to even tell me to do otherwise. Such an egoistic approach, especially when your name is Arco167. What? Who are you, bro? Khalas, learn how to be humble also. You want me to be humble? Jazakallah khair. Start with yourself. Either what I'm doing is wrong, you want to correct me, otherwise you sharing your unwarranted opinion and then wanting me to comply is I find this very strange. I cannot do this to other people. I don't know why you want to do it to me. Yalla khair. Jazakumullah khair.